Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to withdraw from Gate.io to Binance. First of all, go to your Gate.io account and click on the wallet button in the bottom right corner. After clicking on it, select the currency you want. Let's say you want to transfer your USDT from Gate.io to Binance. Select USDT and then select Onchain Withdrawal because you are making an external withdrawal. If you want to withdraw within Gate.io, you need to select the Gate code withdraw. So in our case, we are withdrawing to Binance, so we will select the on-chain withdrawal. After selecting this screen will appear. So choose the right address and the right network. I would recommend that you select the BEP20 network. And now for the address, you will have to go to your Binance app, then click on the deposit section. Click on deposit and this screen will appear. So you are not transferring from any P2P or buy with USDT. So I recommend you select deposit crypto. After selecting it, select the right network. Don't forget to select USDT because you are transferring USDT from Gate.io to Binance. So select the same network that you selected in your Gate.io account. After that, this screen will appear. Copy your address and then go back to Gate.io and paste your address here. So select your network, paste your address, enter your quantity, click on next, and click the withdrawal button. And that way you'll be able to withdraw from Gate.io to Binance. If you like this video, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, leave a comment.